Hello everyone, welcome to the day 6 updates. Today we will fix the movement of our bullet. So let's say our ship is point A and then our point B is the cursor. So now we have to identify the difference of their x-axis and then y-axis. Combine them together and then the ratio of x to x plus y will be its share of movement to the x-axis and then to the y-axis as well. So the game is now fixed. As you can see here, it doesn't stop anymore and it goes according to the angle that we want. So that's all for day 6 updates. Tomorrow again. But wait, something feels wrong about the motion. What I did is I have A plus B is equals to C. I forgot the squared to make the motion more realistic. Okay, so what I did is I squared the value of the difference of the x and the y also, add them together and then made it a square root.